In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom Google fonts in Beehiiv. Adding these fonts can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your site and make your content stand out. To get started, let's head over to Google Fonts. This is your online resource for discovering a wide array of fonts, each with its unique style and character. Google Fonts is a fantastic tool offering thousands of options to fit almost any design need. Once you are on the Google Fonts homepage, take some time to browse through the selection. If you have a specific font style in mind, you can simply use the search bar to find it. But if you're open to exploring, take a few moments to scroll and explore all the options available. When you stumble upon a font that captures your interest, click on it to explore its dedicated page. This area gives you a deeper look at the font's features and how it might appear in your design. Now, with your font page open, you'll need to copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This link is essential for the next steps, so make sure you have it handy. With your URL copied, it's time to switch gears and log into your Beehiiv account. Beehiiv is a powerful platform for managing and designing your websites, and integrating Google Fonts is a straightforward process. Once logged in, locate the left panel on your dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Design section, and from there choose Website Builder. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the Website Builder will take you to the Styles tab, which is the heart of your site design settings. As you're looking at the Styles tab, scroll down until you find the Typography section. This is where you can adjust font settings for various parts of your website. Decide where you want to apply the new font. You can opt for different areas like global headings, global body, or even global button. Each selection gives you an opportunity to personalize and elevate your site's aesthetic. To add your chosen Google font, locate the Font Family drop-down menu. Once clicked, look for the option that says Add Google Font. This is your gateway to bringing the new typeface into your design. Paste the URL you copied earlier into the provided space and simply click Add Google Font. And there you have it, your newly selected font is now part of your design toolkit in Beehiiv, ready to enhance the look and feel of your site. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a custom Google font to your Beehiiv site. Enjoy exploring different fonts and how they can transform your site's appearance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create a more stunning and personalized design.